If your car suddenly sounds like it's working overtime just to get up a hill, that's a big, flashing neon sign your catalytic converter might be choking. The loss of power feels like driving with your emergency brake halfway on, but sneakier. You'll also notice your fuel economy nosedives. You're filling up a day earlier than planned, and that's not your imagination. A bad catalytic converter can drop your gas mileage by 10 to 20%, which adds up fast at $4 a gallon. Another flag, sulfur smells. People always say it's like rotten eggs, which is true, but it's also the olfactory equivalent of your wallet running away. That scent means unburned fuel is passing through, killing the converter. Sometimes it's an engine light, sometimes it's the whole Christmas tree blinking at you. OBD-II scanners will usually report codes like P0420, which is car speak for your catalytic converter's not doing its job. Don't ignore those codes. Labs don't call you about healthy results. If you start hearing a rattling sound coming from underneath, that's not a loose soda can. The honeycomb inside the converter can break apart, a literal rattling death rattle. Tap the converter when the car's off. If it jingles, time to act. Stalling or hard starting happens too, like your car's just had enough and isn't shy about letting you know. The converter gets clogged, back-pressuring the whole exhaust, and your engine will stumble, sometimes refusing to start at all. Overheating under the floorboard? That's not warm and fuzzy. That means the converter is either burning off excess fuel or is so clogged it's turning into a space heater for your feet. If the carpet's too warm to touch, don't walk. Run to a mechanic. Sometimes you'll get a weird acceleration lag. You press the pedal, the engine revs a little, but then you might as well be pedaling Fred Flintstone style. That delayed reaction is really common with a jammed-up converter. For the DIY crowd, here's a pro tip. If you check exhaust flow by removing the oxygen sensor temporarily and the power comes back, bet hard on a clogged converter. Just don't drive like that for long because it's super illegal and loud. By the way, failed emissions tests are pretty much expected at this point. If you're living where checks are strict, hello, Portland, a faulty catalytic converter is a guaranteed ticket to Flunk City. No pass, no renewal. Oftentimes, people try to ignore the issue, hoping it'll get better. It won't. That maybe it's just bad gas is the serenity prayer of car trouble denial. Letting it go can toast your engine or other exhaust parts, hiking repair bills into the thousands. If you're unsure, a $25 OBD-II scanner from Amazon and 5 minutes of checking could save you a $2,000 hit. That's the impact value. Tiny bit of effort for a massive dose of savings, plus the peace of mind.